The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is just days away from its official reveal on July 9th, but leaked live images have already given us a solid look at what to expect, and the design looks like a big step forward. Tipster Jukan Las Reeve shared hands-on photos of the device, showcasing a much cleaner rear camera layout that ditches the bulky camera rings seen on the Fold 6. Instead, Samsung has gone back to the sleeker camera design from the Fold 5 and Galaxy S24 Ultra, which gives the Fold 7 a more premium and polished feel. The phone shown in the leak is in the new blue signature colorway, and it looks stunning. The matte film over the screen hides the crease well, and the device looks even more refined from both the front and back. Alongside these hands-on leaks, Samsung itself has been building excitement with a colorful teaser on X offering glimpses of the Fold 7, Flip 7, and a brand new trifold phone. The teaser uses vibrant, energetic visuals, including the words "run," a skateboard riding Z, and symbols like a shoe and a camera, hints that point to improved performance, durability, and enhanced camera features. Interestingly, the teaser suggests that blue will be the signature color of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, while coral red may represent the Galaxy Z Flip 7. It also introduces something called Selfie Studio, which could either be a new One UI 8.0 feature or a creative setup at Samsung's Galaxy Experience spaces. The teaser ends with a bold "Coming soon July 9th, 2025, confirming that Samsung will unveil not just the Fold 7 and Flip 7, but also a budget Flip FE, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and the 2025 Watch Ultra. Pre-reservations are already live in key markets like the US, where customers can claim a $50 Samsung credit and enter a sweepstakes to win $5,000. With the Fold 7's hardware now almost fully revealed and Samsung's own teaser adding more fuel to the hype, the upcoming Unpacked event is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting launches yet. And now a new leak says the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will carry the same IP48 rating. Let that sink in. Even after all the anticipation, even with competition heating up, Samsung is reportedly not upgrading the Foldable's resistance to water and dust this year. Let's quickly break down what that means. IP48 is limited protection. The 4 means the device is somewhat resistant to dust, but not fully dust-tight. The 8 means it can handle immersion in water beyond 1 meter, but not necessarily for long durations or in tough conditions. Compare that to IP68, which offers complete dust protection and strong water resistance, typically up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. That's the standard for most flagship slab phones. It's also what fans have been asking for in a premium foldable that costs over $1,800. With foldables becoming more mainstream, expectations are rising. People don't want compromises anymore, not at these price points. Thanks to newly leaked renders that show off just how impressively slim these next-gen foldables are. The latest leaks come from renowned tipster Evan Blass, who previously revealed several images of both devices last week. Among the two, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 seems to boast the most dramatic design evolution. It's reportedly just 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded, a significant reduction from the Fold 6's 5.6 millimeters. When folded, the thickness drops to just under 9 millimeters, making it feel much sleeker in hand. A recent hands-on video comparing a Fold 7 dummy unit to the current Fold 6, measuring 12.1 millimeter folded, shows just how far Samsung has come. Leak after leak has spilled the details. Same 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabyte storage tiers, but the colorways? Fresh. Flip 7 is coming in black, blue, and a bold coral red. Fold 7? Black, silver, and a cool blue shadow finish that just sounds premium. And the rumored Flip Fan Edition? Clean black and white with more affordable storage tiers at 128 and 256 gigs. Samsung might even bring back bespoke customization and online-only exclusive colors, but that's still under wraps. Either way, personal style is about to meet powerful tech. Now let's talk about that Fold 7 teaser. Samsung officially released. It says a lot without saying much. A shiny new frame, possibly titanium, taller design, thinner corners, glossier finish, and a new silhouette that clearly separates it from last year's Fold 6. This one doesn't just fold, it stands out. They even called it an ultra experience, and that's no small choice of words. That branding has always been reserved for the best of the best. Leaks confirm Samsung's packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip. Yep, the top-tier SM8750, turning the Fold 7 into a pocket powerhouse ready for next-gen AI, console-grade gaming and multitasking so smooth you might just forget what lag feels like. It's been certified. It's official. The Fold 7 isn't just fast, it's ferocious. But it doesn't stop there. A brand new AI-driven multi-mobile search is built into the camera app. This isn't just taking pictures. This is your foldable understanding your world, reacting to it. Point it at something, and it knows. It gets it. It responds. Like the phone has instincts. Think about that. A foldable with a brain. And visually, the Fold 7 is about to ruin every other screen for you. The leaked display specs? 8.2-inch foldable AMOLED 120Hz and an outer cover screen that's 6.5 inches of FHD plus fluidity. Both panels? Sharp, bright, silky smooth. Wrapped in a chassis so thin, so lightweight, it almost looks like a regular slab when folded. And yes, S Pen is sticking around, so whether you're sketching, signing, or swiping, it's ready. Now here's where Samsung really flexes. One UI 8 is debuting with this beast, and it's built on Android 16. Early testers are already raving about the new lock-to-home glow transition. You unlock your phone, and the wallpaper glides like a pulse. Fluid, elegant. It's not just a UI, it's a vibe. These new 7-style wallpapers? They glow, they breathe, they move with you. Every swipe feels intentional. Every unlock feels alive. And it gets even crazier, because the camera game is on a different level. 200-megapixel main shooter, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, plus a 10-megapixel cover camera and a 4-megapixel under-display cam for full-screen calls and selfies. If photography is your thing, Fold 7 is about to make your DSLR jealous. So what about the design? One word, evolution. It's taking cues from the Fold Special Edition. Wider outer display, ultra-slim profile, reinforced hinge, dust-resistant brushes? And that hinge? The leaker Panda Flash Pro says it's so thin, when closed, the Fold 7 looks almost indistinguishable from a regular phone. Foldables used to look futuristic. Now they look normal. That's how far we've come. And the battery? Still 4,400 milliamp hour, but with upgraded tech for better endurance. This isn't like the S25 Edge, which looked cool but took heat for sacrificing battery life. Samsung learned. This time, they're doing thin without cutting power. Now here's the real kicker. Samsung's teaser campaign just exploded. The latest trailer hinted at something huge, a reimagined camera experience powered by Galaxy AI. They're teasing intelligence in the lens. A camera that thinks, reacts, predicts. This isn't an upgrade. It's a leap. We're also hearing whispers. Z Flip Fan Edition might make a surprise debut too. With an Exynos 2500 chip and a full outer display that gives Moto Razr vibes? Let's just say, things are about to get wild. And get this. FCC filings have locked-in specs: 5G, Wi-Fi 7, UWB, wireless and reverse wireless charging, flagship across the board. This phone isn't playing catch-up. It's leading. Samsung knows this is more than a phone. It's a statement. And they're not stopping with just the Fold 7. July 13th is shaping up to be a full-on Samsung storm. Expect the Z Flip 7, the Watch 8 series, and yeah, maybe even a few surprises they've kept under wraps. The Watch 8 Classic already leaked on eBay with a full 360-degree preview. It's clean, it's bold, and it's ready to launch. From 2019's first Fold to now, look at the jump. We've gone from fragile prototypes to pocket-sized monsters that fold, flex, and feel like the future. But Samsung's next move? It's not just refining the foldable, it's redefining what a phone even is. So let's be clear. The Fold 7 isn't just a foldable. It's Samsung's answer to every critic who said the foldable dream was fading. It's lighter, smarter, more refined. And when July hits, Samsung won't just launch a new phone. They'll launch a new standard. So buckle up, because this isn't the end of the wave. This is the moment the wave crashes and changes everything.